Hello my friends, today we will talk about second of three premium knives from RUIKE. It's model M107. You see this clip point blade from this one steel. Each knife have serial number version which are the same as on box. Here is titanium, and there it have other similar model from ordinary stainless steel. Here it's version P108, but this one is like premium. So we have here a frame. Here is better safe, secondary lock, which will not will protect frame from not correct working during using. So removable clip. What good here, it's really easy to open it. When I use this one, it's also RUIKE, it's also premium knife. You saw this one. First moving I cannot open. I feeling something little hard to open it. But in this case it's very easy and even is pleasant. So want to show you how it works with wood, with rope as usual, and we will continue. So with this form, it's not good for something hard using, as I showed you with wood. It's good for DZ, for city using, it's nice looking, it's good for something not very hard using in the city. And with premium material here, it's really lightweight, 115 grams, but not low cost model as the same as other knives from RUIKE, from this model, which are with titanium and good steel from my knife. So in description would be a link where you can buy it on eBay. Also would be link for my text review with little more photo and comparison between those two. This one also I made review couple of weeks ago. This one is knife from Ukrainian blogger with collaboration is Ganzo will be reviewed a little later. It's also not cheap, but I love it. I think it's a really good knife.